In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your hosting or domain name the right way. Whether you've rebranded your business, found a better domain, or simply made a mistake when choosing your original name, I'll walk you step by step through the most common and safest method to replace your domain inside Hostinger. By the end of this video, your new domain will be properly connected to your hosting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. The most common situation is this. You already purchased a new domain, and you want to connect it to your existing hosting or hosting plan. Instead of starting from scratch, you simply replace or add the new domain to your current hosting. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This is where all your registered and connected domains are managed. Next, click on Add New Domain. Hostinger will now give you a few options. If your new domain is already purchased, choose the option that allows you to transfer an existing domain or connect an existing domain, depending on what you see in your dashboard. After selecting that option, you'll be asked to enter your domain name. Carefully type in your new domain name exactly as you registered it. Double-check for spelling errors, because even a small typo will prevent the connection from working properly. Once you've entered the domain name, click on Transfer or Continue. Now, just to clarify, if you are fully transferring the domain registration from another provider to Hostinger, you'll need an authorization code from your current domain registrar. However, if you're only connecting the domain to your hosting, you may simply need to update the name servers to Hostinger's default name servers. If you're not ready to complete the transfer immediately, that's completely fine. The important thing is understanding the process. Hostinger will guide you through the required steps on screen, including DNS or name server updates if needed. After the domain is successfully added, you'll want to make sure it's assigned to the correct hosting plan. Go to your hosting section in the dashboard, select your active hosting plan, and confirm that the new domain is attached to it. If necessary, you can set it as the primary domain. If you're replacing an old domain entirely, you may also need to update your website settings, especially if you're using WordPress. In WordPress, go to Settings, then General, and update both the WordPress address and site address to your new domain name. Save the changes, and your website will now load under the new domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate. In most cases, this can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. During that time, your website may temporarily load inconsistently, which is completely normal. And that's it. That's how you change your hosting or domain name and connect a new domain to your existing hosting plan step by step. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.